did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe that.
I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. Welcome back.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to make a vegan coconut cake. For this recipe, you're going to need some vegan butter, some sugar, unsweetened applesauce, vanilla, and some coconut milk. You just need to mix the wet ingredients until they're smooth. Now I'm going to mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. You need some flour, baking powder, sea salt, and coconut flakes. Give the dry batter a mix. Then combine the wet and dry ingredients together. Mix until they're smooth. I'm going to oil a loaf pan with some olive oil and coat it with some flour to prepare it for the cake batter. Place it in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. Now to make the glaze, we're going to need some vegan butter, coconut milk, some vanilla, and powdered sugar. Make sure the cake is completely cool. Flip it out of the dish and add the glaze.
Oh, snap!
Top the cake with some toasted coconut flakes. And it's ready to serve. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. And don't forget
to subscribe. That's my piece right there.